Ziyakhala. Woze sibindini baba. Ziyakhala.
As in born. About before.
Way down. Check your mind way down. Way down.
What up?
The Ingles. Danger.
Ziyakhala. Woze sibindini baba. Ziyakhala.
Everybody wanted to know what I would do if I didn't win. I guess we'll never know.
Be free. I spend my time alone.
Koga kuzwaka dima. Engithi koga kuzwaka. Engithi koga kuzwaka.
Athi soko ayithe ya sisidle namachance goba amachance. What up guys? As in born. About before. Soboni after. Ngithola mase 30 ukuhlanganisa radio. Yini? Kunabantu for leyo position. Siyathi songena script yakhe ke siyo. Spek wasish. Yeah, yo. Damn. Oh, but damn it, man. Damn. Scrapyard location, yes. Cheap. Asibona guys, hey. Bekwenye into so bayishayile bayichange. Seyingconywana manje. Yeah. Yo, YouTube. Atrocificationalism. Yeah. As guys lately angazi. Yo, umzimba umkhathele. Like ngibalazy nyana. Like if like thola ngidle the whole day, you and then ngayimela ngisibani ngiyakhohlwa yazi. Ngiyakhohlwa. Ma, hey. Ngisapheka santi. Yabo. So it's just that you guys I need you guys to subscribe. You guys are not subscribing. I need you guys to subscribe. Cause hey, coming into the now I think I get to subscribe. As more now so. Hello. At symbol sama cheap. Thank you.
Check way down. Way down. Check your mind way down. This is South Africa. You need to understand way down. Please don't touch me like that. I understand. La makula ali aso achachela yonke into.
Oh. Day 17 bafethu. Day 17. Life update ngitholile riding ispeed. Yabo. Yokakhathela. Enhle ngizokhuluma nani mangifika eKasi yo. Day 17. Oh. Okay. So lately like this past 3 days yo ngilibele like ngaspan yo ngilibele ngaspan ifeed yabo. So but I am sorry though. I am sorry cause I know it's maybe nani ngabe nibona vele to the vlog nyana from the past 3 days videos na I see the way ngijwayele ukushaya ngakhona ngithola so bese phela kayo riding 30 days into Debaya but let me do like this. Hope you guys see me. I got you guys. Never. Yeah. Stay 17. We're still gonna carry on posting. Life update. The speeding and be less than bonnie nani da Barimona ke plan. A poor market plan. So speeding faces violence are script. And so outside if it's not speed is called about kaka. Ngoba transaction fast and it's imagine over screen ayisebenza iplan yenzeka lento la kaka speed isakhandeka yabona nasi sisinjani sihleli yangithola. So yeah, which means imoto ke phela kaze emaqinisweni nebangafuna ukuhamba ngemoto engena speed la amaphoyisa ngifuna libela ngibamba ngilibele hayi into bhaya. So shota nje manje nje but ngizobona kuma upcoming videos abo masenzo service nje ama ngizodila nemoto engasidala but at least uma ngizokwazi ukuphuma ngayo grade mele ngiwashe vaya ngithola yeah mara saphuma yo ngikhumbule nokudriver yo bese ngikhumbula ukudriver shit course yeah but cava ukuthi no ke kwazi ngikhumbule like ngikhumbule ngikhumbule nopalisi Max asangizoyombona ngeke ngeke yeah my days go guys. So yeah, so guys make sure you subscribe and so subscribe and I love you guys. Nazi ukuthi nginiphethe abo ngiqolele for the past 2 days man, past 2 days 3 days angicreatanga to my capability or whatever. Abofana ne vlog le anibukele nona today yangithola. Yeah man, it's just a vlog yabona nje. Yeah but the strength ngilibele ngasregain yabo. The strength esokuthi ngibuyele ngispan yangithola. Le 30 days le sizopost okusalayo every single day yangithola. Alikho lamali yangithola. So nina subscribeani and then it's your boy Petrosificationalism man. I love you guys so much. See you in the next video tomorrow. Sengwile no so spana kenezo. Yeah, ngiyancane. Stay tuned. Danko.
Danger ingozi.